Hi guys, my name is Rai and welcome to my channel. For today's video, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang pathways and differences ng psychometrician, psychologist at ng psychiatrist. So for the pathways of psychometrician, you need to have a bachelor's degree. It's either AB in psychology or BS in psychology. Take the licensure examination for psychometrician, pass the board examination in order for you to become a registered psychometrician. So ano nga ba ang ginagawa ng isang registered psychometrician? So they can do administer, score, and interpret psychological tests and can also write psychological report with the supervision from a registered psychologist. But a psychometrician are not allowed to do counseling and psychotherapy. For the pathways naman ng isang psychologist, you need to have a bachelor's degree. You need to take a Master in Psychology or Master of Arts in Psychology or Master of Science in Psychology, have your internship and take the psychologist licensure examination, pass the board examination in order for you to become a registered psychologist. So ano ba ang ginagawa ng isang registered psychologist? So they can do counseling and psychotherapy, but they are not allowed to administer or prescribe a medication. For the pathways naman ng isang psychiatrist, you need to have a bachelor's degree, you need to enter into a medical school, finish your medical degree, take the physician licensure exam, pass the physician licensure examination, and have your residency in psychiatry. For some, nagpo-proceed pa sila into fellowship, pero it's an optional for them. So, ano ba ginagawa ng isang psychiatrist? So, ang isang psychiatrist naman, they can do also counseling and psychotherapy. But the most important thing that they can do is to prescribe and administer a medication for their patients. So, for the trajectory naman, mas mahaba yung trajectory ng isang psychiatrist as compared to a psychometrician and psychologist. For psychometrician, you need only to have your bachelor's degree, which is 4 years. For the psychologist naman, you need to have your 4 years bachelor's degree and 2 to 3 years of master's degree. For the psychiatrist naman, you need to have your 4 years bachelor's degree, 4 years in medical school, and 4 years of residency in psychiatry. So all in all, 12 years yung trajectory path ng in order for you to become a psychiatrist. So that's it for today, and I hope you learned something new to my video. If you have comments or suggestions, feel free to write it down in the comment section, and I will gladly answer all those questions. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time. Bye!